So, you're looking for a job and you want to use Facebook to help you out. Well, you've come to the right place. Here are some tips on how to use Facebook to find a job. And if you're new to my job search training videos, now would be a fabulous time to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a video about improving results of your job search to get you hired rapidly in your dream job. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to hear about what obstacles you encounter in your job search so I can help guide you through the job search process to get you hired rapidly. Here are different ways to optimize your job search using Facebook to assist you in landing your dream job. First, make sure you have a strong profile. Make sure your profile is complete and up to date and that it showcases your skills and experience. You want potential employers to be able to see what you're capable of. So make sure your profile is as polished as possible. You should also make sure that your privacy settings are set so that only people you know can see your profile. Next, start networking. Join groups related to your industry or field and connect with people who work in those industries. Ask them for advice and recommendations and let them know that you're looking for a job. They may be able to help you out, or they may know someone who's hiring. You can use Facebook ads to reach out to potential employers. Facebook allows you to target your ads to a specific audience so you can target employers who are looking for employees with your skills and experience. You can also use targeted keywords to find jobs that are a good fit for you. And finally, you can use Facebook to search for jobs. There are a number of different ways to do this. You can search for jobs on the Facebook website, or you can use one of the many job finding apps that are available. There are also a number of websites that list jobs that are posted on Facebook. So there you have it. These are just a few ways to use Facebook to help you find a job. By following these tips, you'll be one step closer to finding the job of your dreams. Good luck. If you found value in this training today, let me know below with a like, comment, or question. I'm always in the comments answering questions about your job search. Remember to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. And if you thought of someone who'd benefit from hearing this message today, please share this video with them. My goal is to share these recruiting insider secrets to teach job seekers how to market themselves to employers, increasing their chances of getting noticed and hired rapidly. You'd have my endless gratitude for that, and your friends will thank you for sharing resources with them to become employed. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.